good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 16 verse 4b to verse 15. What the Holy Spirit will do. Me ain't telling about all of them sitting here from the start, cause me did still them amongst uno. But right now, me I go to the one where send me come here, and none ask me say, how we party I go? But you know heart every down, cause me tell you them sitting here. But me I tell you for true, so that if you no own a good, that me I go away. Cause if me no go away, the helper na go come to no. But if me go away, me I go send him come to no. When he come, him go and make the people them in the world know, say them wrong about sin, that them wrong about how somebody can get right in a God's eye, and wrong about how God judge people. Them wrong about sin, cause they not trust in me. Them wrong about God and about who and what right in a God's eye. Cause look here now, me I go my father, though people think say me a sinner. Me I go back to my father and we not go see me no more. And them wrong about how God judge people. Cause the one who run things in the world, God write him off already. Me have enough more sitting for say to uno. More than uno can take in right now. But when the Spirit will show the true sitting them about God come, him go make uno know all of the sitting them were true. Him not go talk after him own. Him only go talk when him hear my father say. And him go tell you what go happen. Him go show how me big and powerful. Cause him go hear what me say and tell you it back. Everything when my father own, I feel me too. And that make me say, the Spirit I go take what me say and make you know it for yourself. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.